Okay, this is how you use your Salto access control maintenance kit. And I have a lock here that I would be using normally. It would be on a door. But inside your kit, you have a few different things. So you've got a little bit that is going to remove the set screw so you could change batteries. So that's what that's for. You've got this cylinder tool, which helps to take the lock off the door, which is in a different video. This also helps remove the battery. This is your little installation tool. I call it a horseshoe tool. And you've got a maintenance card. So this card's very important whenever we need to troubleshoot. If you're dealing with one of the technicians over the phone, they would help you and tell you when you would use this card. And finally, you have your jump starter. So this jump starter helps anytime there's a low battery in the door and you are outside the door trying to get in. So the first thing you do, go get some AA batteries. So I'm just going to slide 4 AA batteries in here. Make sure that they're in the right polarity. And once you've got that, there's 3 different prongs here. And you can see one side says up, and the other side obviously doesn't. So now you know which way is up. So if you're looking at the lock, so you look on the outside of the lock, where it says Salto means that it's up. So that would be in the down position. So if you just rotate this to up, once you slide these pins inside those 3 holes, then it's going to get contact and it will essentially jump start the lock, and you saw the lights go on there. Now this lock right now is currently 100% dead. Like, I removed the battery from it, so you can see it doesn't do anything when I put a tag up there. When I put the jump starter in, it gives you some lights telling you, hey, I got some power. Now if I hold my tag up, which is kind of difficult to do because the device is there, but I'm just going to hold my tag up there as close as I can to the lock until it engages, and then on the back you'll be able to see that it's actually turning. So that means it just gave it enough power to be able to open the lock, even though there's actually not a battery inside of this at all.